Hello my dear students, hoping you all to be fine. So students, today we'll discuss chapter 12 of chemistry, P block elements second. Okay, so today we'll discuss about halogen group. So in that we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So halogens means salt producers or sea generators. It is a Greek word. These elements forms the salt which can be tasted in sea water. The general electronic configuration of halogen family is Ns2 and P5. Fluorine and chlorine are gases at room temperature, whereas bromine is a liquid and iodine exists as solid state. Astatine is a radioactive element. Okay, due to the presence of single unpaired electron in the last subshell or outermost shell, all halogen exist as a diatomic in nature. Okay, they are held together by weak van der Waals force. Now physical properties. So atomic radius increases, metallic character it also increases, non-metallic character decreases, melting point and boiling point increases, and the ionization energy decreases from, and electronegativity it also decreases. Okay, from top to down. Okay, now the electron affinity of halogen decreases down the group from chlorine to astatine. However, the electron affinity is less than that of chlorine, but it is because of very small size of fluorine. In fluorine, the electrons which are already present repels incoming electrons. Thus incoming electrons does not feel much attraction towards nucleus. Okay, now oxidizing character. So down the group, the oxidizing character of halogen decreases. Halogen are a strong oxidizing agent. Halogens possess a strong tendency to accept electrons. This is why they behave as a strong oxidizing agent. As we move down the group, oxidizing character decreases because of decrease in reactivity of halogens. Bond dissociation energy. Down the group, bond dissociation energy decreases because as we move down the group, the atomic size increases, which results in increase in bond length. As the bond length increases, there is a decrease in bond strength, which results in decrease in bond dissociation energy. Okay, now chemical property. So in chemical property, chemical reactivity, down the group chemical reactivity decreases. Okay, in hydrides of halogens, bond strength decreases from top to down, atomic strength increases, bond dissociation it also decreases. Okay, now halides of metals. Halogens generally forms ionic halides which monovalent with halides with monovalent or bivalent metals. Okay, like NaCl. Okay, so halides of alkali metals are water soluble except lithium fluoride, that is LiF, lithium fluoride. Now oxides of halogens. Halogen do not react directly with oxygen, thus they are formed indirectly. For example, oxygen difluoride is prepared with the reaction of fluorine on sodium hydroxide. Okay, now in the oxides of halides, the oxidation state of halogens varies from +1 to +2. +1 to +7. Okay, now acids of halides like HFO, hypofluorous acid, HClO, hypochlorous acid, HBRO, hypobromous acid, HIO, that is hypoiodous acid, HClO2, that is chlorous acid, HClO3, that is chloric acid, HBrO3, bromic acid, HiO3 is iodic acid, HClO4 per chloric acid. Okay. Now HBrO4, that is perbromic acid. Now HiO4 is a periodic acid. Okay. Now let's see about the color of halogen. All the halogen molecules are colored. This is due to absorption of visible light, which results in the excitation of outer electrons to higher energy level. Okay. Now interhalogen compounds. Two different halogens mutually combine covalent compound, which are called halogen compound. Okay. So students, that's all for today. Next portion we'll discuss in our next video. Thank you.